to the channel Acharyaji Online.
Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.
Dear students of class 5, last day we have studied about first quarter model paper. I hope that you all will be familiar with taught portions before this first quarter model paper. Today I am going to explain you a new chapter. Name of new chapter is Common Fraction. A question arises in our mind: what is fraction? Fractions are numbers which has numerator and denominator. Take an example, 2 by 5. Here above number 2 is known as numerator, and this number 5 is called denominator. It is clear a number which has both numerator and denominator is called fraction, also called common fraction. So in this common fraction, some types of fractions we have to learn one by one. First fraction is like fraction. Like fraction. What is like fraction? You know, fractions having same denominators are called like fractions. Like 2 by 3, 4 by 3. We see here denominator are same of both fractions. So these fractions are called collectively like fractions. Similarly, a new type of fraction is called unlike fractions. Unlike fractions. This is opposite of like fraction. It means fractions having different denominators are called unlike fractions. By an example, we will be able to understand. 2 by 5, 3 by 8, 5 by 9. We see here not denominators are same of these given fractions. So these fractions are called collectively unlike fraction. Now we will know about a new type of fraction, unit fraction. Unit fraction. You should know by name unit. Unit means 1. So a fraction which has numerator as 1 is called unit fraction. It means 1 by 3. We see here numerator is 1 unit. So this fraction is called unit fraction. Many other examples. 5 by 8. Is this unit fractions? No. Why? Because here numerator is not 1. So this is not unit fraction. Here numerator is 1. So this is unit fraction. Now we will know about proper fraction. What is proper fraction? Proper fraction has numerator less than denominator. It means proper fraction. A fraction which has numerator less than denominator is called proper fraction. It means 2 by 3. Here we see that 2 is numerator and 3 is denominator. This 2 is less than this 3. So this fraction is called proper fraction. Many other examples. 5 by 8. Is this proper fraction? Yes. Why? Because this numerator 5 is less than this denominator. So this is also called proper fraction. This 8 by 5. Is this proper fraction? No. Because this numerator is not less than this denominator. So this is not proper fraction. Now we will know about improper fraction. What is improper fraction? Improper fraction. Improper fraction has numerator greater or equal to denominator. It means 8 by 8. Is this fraction is called improper fraction? Yes. Why? Because this numerator is equal to denominator. So it is called improper fraction. Take another example. 8 by 5. Is this improper fraction? Yes. Because this numerator is greater than this denominator. So this is also called improper fraction. Take another example. 5 by 9. Is this improper fraction? No. Why? Because this numerator is not greater than or equal to denominator. So this is called not called improper fraction. Now we will know about equivalent fraction. By name it is clear. Equivalent fractions. What is this? By name it is clear. Fractions having same value. Fractions having same value, equal value. Equivalent means having equal value. It means having equal value fractions are called equivalent fractions. 2 by 5. 4 by 10. We see here, this is in lowest term, but this is not in lowest term because it may be sorted. 2 2 ja, 2 5 ja. This 2 by 5 of its lowest term of this. It means 2 by 5 and 4 by 10 having same equal value. So these 2 by 5 and 4 by 10 are called equivalent fractions. I think important topics are clear. One thing more, we should know mixed number. What is mixed number? In a mixed number, this is whole number and this is a fraction. This is a whole number and this is a fraction. A number which has a whole number and a fraction collectively are called mixed number. It may be converted into common fraction. How? Here we should write 3 denominator same. In our numerator 3 2 ja 6 and this one 7. It means this mixed number can be converted into this common fraction, and this common fraction is also converted in this. Now we should know fraction as a division. How? Suppose here we have 7 by 3. We have to write it as division sum. We have to write it as division sum. How? 7 divided by. More example, 8 by 9. We have to write it as division sum. How? 8 divided by 9. Hence, many important terms of this exercise 24 are clear. So, your homework is today do exercise 24. It means all questions given in exercise 24 you have to solve in your notebook. Thanks for